Good afternoon, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a walk-around video today for our 2007 BMW 650i Cabriolet. Just a gorgeous triple black car with only 20,000 miles. This car was pampered in its life. It did receive services, but for the most part sat and waited for its owner to drive it. And it was, the days that it was driven were always nice, and it shows. Every inch of this car is just pristine. The paint is black, but it is a metallic black and gorgeous. I will do some exterior shots too, but I wanted to shoot it a little bit with the top up to show you guys how nice the top is. There are no wear areas in the top. There are no threadbare areas. It is just as nice as you would expect. This car is just a real nice car, and probably one of the nicest 650s out there to date. Tires in excellent condition. No rash on the wheels, no corrosion in this car, no bad days to speak of. I did notice on the other side, the one thing I can fault this car for is it has had a tiny bit of touch up. Looks like it had a scratch that was touched up. I'll see if I can find it. Looks like someone might have missed with the fuel. And that is touched up, but you can still see it. But that's it. Beautiful inside. No smells, no odors, no problems whatsoever. Just look how nice this interior is. Inside of the top is nice. Dash is perfect. So there you go, guys. I'll do some more exterior shots and videos outside with the top down as well. So look for those in the near future. Thanks again. Good afternoon. Justin again from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do another video outdoors in direct sunlight to really show off this black metallic paint. You know how hard it is to photograph these cars in direct sunlight. There's no swirls in this car. It's gorgeous. I did want to point out that it has PPF, or paint protection film, on the front quarter of the nose of the car. Other than that, it's just naked. But we have waxed this car and detailed this car, and it looks stunning even in direct sunlight. I just went for a nice drive in this car. It really is exactly what you would expect from a less than 20,000 mile car. Even though it is approaching 20 years old, it is just as nice as a new one in every way that I could describe it. All the pixels illuminate properly. There is no sticky button issues anywhere on the car. The steering wheel is nice. The door panels are perfect. I am not missing anything on this one. I am not leaving out any details. It's just as nice as you would hope it to be and expect it to be. So with that said, I'm going to go for another drive here and enjoy this gorgeous day. And if you guys want any other details, please ask. I will take specific pictures or videos to help you determine if this car would be right for you. But if you are picky, if you are a perfectionist, you will be having a very difficult time finding one nicer than this. All right, guys, good luck. Thanks again.